So guys, for the first method, you want to right click on the application and then click on run as admin and then click on yes. See if that works. For the second method, you could try to uninstall and then reinstall your application. To do that, you want to go to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your program. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. You could just reinstall it again and then see if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete that scan, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.